Hey guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Facebook ads to get leads using Messenger. How to basically create Messenger ads in order to get leads for your business. This is great if you're in real estate, if you're selling insurance, financial services, if you're trying to raise money for charity or doing anything with social issues. This is great to help you get leads. The way I'm going to show you how to build the ad is basically going to encourage people to message you. So encourage those leads to message you so you can start the conversation to then later convert them. And I'm going to show you guys step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get more leads using Facebook Messenger. Guys, if you're in real estate, if you're in insurance, financial services, I don't know, whatever industry that you're in that requires you to get leads, I'm going to show you how to do it so that people message you, so you can then convert them later down the line. So they message you through Messenger. I'll show you how to do it. So as you can see, we're now in the ads manager, right? And then we click create right here. And guys, here again, you're going to see this option. For some of you, it may be different. Facebook is still rolling out this change, but this is how it should be looking for most of you guys. Yeah. So you select leads, guys, then click continue. So guys, this is the campaign level. Here, we've got this, campaign objective, auction. But guys, if you're doing anything, if you're gathering leads for anything political, if you're gathering leads for financial, employment, guys, make sure you don't miss out on choosing these. Yeah, make sure you tick whatever industry that you're in. If you're in politics or social issues, make sure you tick that. If you're in housing, if you're in real estate and you're trying to get leads for while you're promoting like a new listing or anything like that, make sure you choose housing. If you're trying to get leads, employment, if you're in financial services for credit, tick this. If you don't tick this, guys, Facebook will reject your ad. Worse still, they may even ban your whole ad account. So you got to be really careful. You got to follow the rules, guys, especially when capturing leads, because this people's information. So understandably, you know, Facebook is going to be a bit more strict because this is people's personal information that you're going to be gathering, right? So once you selected any of these that relates to the industry that you're in, then you can come down to advantage campaign budget, right? It's totally up to you. You can do, let's do $10, for example. Let's just do $10 just for the sake of the video, yeah? And then once you selected your budget, then you just click next right here. Now we are at the ad set level. As you can see here, we've got all these options right here. But because we're trying to get leads by them contacting us through Messenger, we want to select Messenger. We want to select Messenger, guys. Yeah. And this will ensure that people are messaging us, especially if they're showing interest towards the service that we're trying to promote or the offer that we're trying to promote. So you want to select Messenger right here. So guys, we're now at the ad set level. And guys, when you get here, you have all these options, yeah? But because we're trying to get leads we want to get leads by people messaging us through Facebook Messenger, you want to select Messenger right here. Yeah? Then you want to select your Facebook page. And obviously you want to view the terms and make sure that you're ticking the terms to make sure that everything's compliant. Right? This is really important, guys. Yeah, Facebook they're really strict when it comes to, if you're gathering people's information, you gotta you as a company or a business, you need to follow the rules on that. Yeah. So once you've done that, you can see we've selected our Facebook page. Then you come down to budget and schedule and audience. And here you want to choose the location. So you can do United States, you can do any country, or you can do locally. So if you're trying to get leads locally, right? What you want to do, you want to select the actual town or the city that you're in, and you could do it by either increasing the radius or decreasing the radius. I'll show you guys. Look. So let's say, for example, okay, I'm in London, yeah? London. Let's do London. London, England, right? So you see here, it's got this 40 kilometers. And look, see this little thing here? I can increase it, decrease it. I can make it small, make it big. But you want to do that either with the town or the city or wherever you are, and you can increase it, like increase or decrease like that, especially if you want to get leads locally. So here, the age is 18 to 65. So you can choose the age that applies to your business. The gender, you can choose the gender that applies to your business. And here, you want to put in your interests. But guys, bear in mind that once you select a special ads category, this interest targeting will be limited. You're not going to have such a wide range of interests to choose from. Yeah. So you will have to go for more broader interests. Then once you selected your interest in here, you want to select advantage placements. You want to keep it like that. Make sure that this is optimized for leads. Optimizing for delivery is leads. Then once you're happy with that, all you got to do is click next. Now we're at the ad level. So this is the ad that people see. So once you get here, you want to make sure that your Facebook page is selected. You want to make sure your Instagram is selected. You want to have your single image or video, or you could do carousel, whichever, and choose between the two. Alternatively, you can use existing post. And here, if you can add an image, if you click on add media, you can add an image or add video, or you can create a video in here, right here. It's totally up to you. Here, you want to put in the primary text, talk about the offer, talk about what they get if they give you their email address or their contact details or something like that, just to encourage them to take action, right? So you get their information so you can contact them later. And here we go. The headline is chat on Messenger. You want to have that headline as chat on Messenger, just so it's clear to the person, so they know what they're getting themselves into. So they feel comfortable to message you about the offer, what you do, what the company is offering, so they can make well-informed decisions. You want the call to action, you want to have it as send message. And guys, as you can see here, it says when people click send message on an ad, they'll be able to send a message to your page. So once they've done this, they'll be able to actually communicate with you. So you basically will be able to communicate with a lead. And then you can pretty much take them down that journey to convert them later down the road. It's awesome. Now, in terms of the message template, you could do, you can choose a use existing one, or you can create one. So if you want to create a message template, right, this is basically to help you collect information from people who are basically showing interest in your business, right? So you want to do it like this. So you click create. This is how it's going to look in your messenger. This is how the conversation looks like. Want to get started? Yes. And they click yes. Cool. What time do you... So it's like automated. So the system is automated for you, right? Where this lead is messaging you, they're interested in your offer, they're messaging you, and you basically can line up a bunch of questions that's pretty much going to either qualify your lead or disqualify your lead. It's totally up to you. Because if, for example, it says, want to get started? Not now. All right, cool, not now. Cool, they're disqualified. But if you got people messaging you and saying yes, yes, then they go down to the next stage. And here is where you customize it. You can customize the welcome message, the questions, right? So you can actually choose the questions and type them out. You could do next question, disqualification, right? So when people see your ad, they click send a message, and they get thrown into this funnel. So they go through the process, right? And once you're happy with that, all you got to do is click save and finish, and then you can publish, right? Guys, this way of getting leads is very effective because people want to feel comfortable, especially if they're giving you their details or showing some type of interest in your offer, right? So use this as part of your marketing strategy, especially if you're in real estate, insurance, social issues, or anything like that, and you're trying to get leads, right? This will help you get the leads and also form a relationship with people as well, right? So guys, as usual, I'll be coming back with new marketing tips to help you guys. So guys, take care. See you on the next video.